Hello friends! Halloween is near, and we have a super cute and spooky craft to help bring the Halloween spirit to your home. Today, we're going to show you how to make these 3 super cute mummy Halloween luminaries featuring Kuromi, Hello Kitty, and Chococat. These luminaries are perfect for decorations in your room, around the house, and they also make the perfect gift to send to a friend. Let's get spooky. Here's what you'll need: mason jars, Mod Podge, a black marker and black paint, paintbrushes, tape, scissors, cheesecloth, black, yellow, and red cardstock, pipe cleaners, hot glue, and some Sanrio faces as guides. You can download these 3 in the description. We're going to take 3 recycled jars, just like these ones, and paint Kuromi, Hello Kitty, and Chococat. Let's start with Kuromi. Did you know Kuromi's birthday is on Halloween? This mischievous but cheeky white rabbit wears a black jester's hat with a pink skull that changes its facial expressions depending on Kuromi's mood. How cool is that? Let's cut out her face. Then flip her over and put 3 pieces of tape on the back. Now drop your printout into a jar to use as a painting guide. Paint her hat and features onto the jar using black, but leave the white of her face and pink skull unpainted. This is where light will show through. You can remove the printout for the final detail work. Next, carefully cut out her jester hat and trace each side onto black cardstock. Cut them out and hot glue them onto the jar. Ask an adult for help with the hot glue. Now for Hello Kitty. Do the same process. Hello Kitty loves Halloween because it reminds her of candy and she loves her sweets. Speaking of something sweet, let's get started on Hello Kitty's adorable friend, Chococat. Did you know he got his name from his chocolate-colored nose? This little cat boy tends to be scatterbrained at times, but is always up on the latest news because of his ultra-sensitive antenna whiskers. Make Chococat's ears out of black and yellow cardstock. Use a little Mod Podge to glue his ears together and hot glue them to his head. Now for the spooky part, wrapping our jars. Let's start off by cutting our cheesecloth into strips. Paint a little Mod Podge onto one end and wrap it around the jar. We're going to add several layers to make our jars look like mummies. Keep adding Mod Podge as necessary to make everything stick. And once you've wrapped Chococat, hot glue pipe cleaners onto his face for whiskers. Now it's time to draw Hello Kitty's iconic red bow onto red cardstock and cut it out. Now you can decorate your room or home with your favorite super cute spooky friends, Hello Kitty, Kuromi, and Chococat. Once the sun goes down, drop a glow stick or battery-operated candle into your luminary. Share this craft with all your friends and have a safe and happy Halloween! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!